need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card.
Man loses phone at bar, argues aggressively with police, attacks officers, gets arrested carrying cocaine and multiple criminal charges.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor, just step over here for me. Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive, and he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black.
Alright. Have you already paid your tab? How are you going to call that phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost your phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. Two, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
I talked to cases.
Okay.
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his tab.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I was just telling you.
I'm not.
Now you're yelling.
No, stop. Because I asked.
Yelling.
Listen,
Yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you, and I asked. No, you with them, and I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
Then talk at a normal level, so I'm done with you.
No. Well, then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
Have a good night.
All I want is my fucking phone.
They don't
You guys have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track it,
You're gonna back up.
Please,
You're gonna back up.
When I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie, cause I
Have a
got
good night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
what you do. Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and ask.
And now you're not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. Would I recommend it? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are you reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very much so.
Me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay, they don't have your phone. What
This is not making sense to me when I
It's not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But she doesn't give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem to you. We're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How did you find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the fuck out my face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
we're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because you
Do not
paid with
go
your
back
phone.
That's the fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Please go get my
Trespass
phone.
on here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come
fine.
back, you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just go for I don't really
Trespass.
care.
That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up.
Clear.
Give me
You
the
come back.
documentation.
Hey,
Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck out. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation.
35636.
Give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck when the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation. Please. Give me your card. Give me your card. Back up. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched an officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched an
Gonna
officer.
roll this way?
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up the station.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
There you go. Alright.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get? Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging app.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
Turn for card and information.
Once she started getting the paperwork for you, behind
She
her,
didn't
okay?
do nothing.
So now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius?
All I asked you, ma'am, was for card and information.
Is your name Darius?
No, all I asked
Your
was
name
for card and
Darius?
information.
Is your name Darius?
All I asked was for card and
Is your name
information.
Darius?
I'm just asking.
Your debit card that you were looking for was found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about the no bad card.
You did,
I
sir.
asked him, no, I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was in your
phone,
pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted to
call.
do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked was for card and
I
information.
went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna tell me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not.
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked her for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
Alright,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing
pockets.
games.
I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
You hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground, you
anything.
understand?
It's gonna be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right
183,
here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you.
Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
Alright, have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I
Okay.
did nothing wrong. All I
Alright.
did was asking some
You need
questions.
to debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there. I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems fair. Approximately half gram.
Step up.
No trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. So I go in the petty wagon van for asking about my cell phone. Yes, sir.
Orange and Amelia.
For asking about my cell phone.
Slide in. Have a seat. Watch your head.
Charges: assault on a law enforcement officer, possession of cocaine, resisting an officer without violence, trespassing in an occupied structure.